This course begins small, with a scarf, with a slit, with 2 different sides, and with many beautiful ways to wear it. But in fact, it is about much more. The scarf is only the beginning, an example, an entry point, a key. A key to large felt shawls, in any size, in any shape, for many different ideas. Using this small scarf as an example, Julia Struzh shares her essential techniques. How to create an even felt surface, how to make a clean edge, how to work with threads, how to use the machine, and how small, precise gestures can change the whole result. Julia guides you step by step through the process, calmly, clearly, precisely, and with humor. You won't get bored. This course is for beginners, for experienced felt makers, and for everyone who wants not only to make felt, but to truly understand it.